Well, hello. If you've picked up this course, chances are you've just been handed a data center project. Or you're about to be. Maybe you're excited. Maybe you're slightly terrified. Maybe you're wondering who exactly decided you were the right person for this. All of those reactions are perfectly normal. Data center projects are big, complex, high-stakes pieces of work. They touch every discipline you can imagine: power, cooling, networks, security, construction, sustainability, operations, finance, procurement, risk, and a dozen more. They involve specialists who speak in acronyms, suppliers who all promise the earth, and stakeholders who want everything yesterday. And if AI is part of the picture, the complexity jumps again. Suddenly you're dealing with extreme heat loads, high-speed fabrics, and workloads that don't behave like anything you've managed before. So yes, it's a lot. But here's the good news. You don't have to figure it out alone. This course is designed to be your companion, the calm voice in the room, the experienced colleague who's seen it all before, the person who quietly slides a checklist across the table and says, "Start here." It won't drown you in theory. It won't assume you're an engineer. It won't expect you to know everything on day one. Instead, it walks with you, step by step, through the entire life cycle of a data center build. So use it as a guide and feel free to dip in and out as you progress through the project. We'll start at the very beginning, understanding what your client actually needs, not just what they say they need. We'll look at how to set up the program so it doesn't collapse under its own weight. We'll explore design, procurement, construction, deployment, testing, cutover, and even the long-forgotten world of decommissioning. And throughout, we'll keep things human, practical, and grounded in the real world. The world where budgets shift, suppliers slip, and someone always forgets to tell you about the small change that turns out to be massive. Think of this guide as a map, not a perfect to scale, every tree labelled map, but the kind of map that helps you navigate the terrain with confidence. The kind that shows you the shortcuts, the hazards, the places where people usually get stuck, and the moments where you need to slow down and pay attention. By the time you reach the end, you won't just understand how to deliver a data center project. You'll understand how to lead one, calmly, clearly, and with the kind of quiet authority that makes people think, they've got this. And you will, because you're not doing it alone anymore.